Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making a sturdy crust because a weak base ruins the cake. Combine Oreo crumbs with melted butter, press evenly into an 8-9 springform, and chill so it firms. Once done, work on the filling immediately to keep textures cohesive. Soften cream cheese to room temperature for smooth blending. Make sure to reserve half the crumbs and a few whole Oreos. You'll use them for swirls and crunch later. This sequence prevents sogginess and builds contrast between crunchy crust and creamy interior. You need proper technique to keep the filling dense yet airy. Beat cream cheese smooth before adding sugar and vanilla so no lumps remain. Then fold in whipped heavy cream to incorporate air without deflation. Mix in reserved crumbs for distributed Oreo flavor. Pour gently over chilled crust and tuck whole Oreos into the batter for pockets of texture. Bake at 325 degrees F until edges set and center slightly jiggly. This prevents cracks and preserves creamy mouthfeel. Once baked, cool gradually to avoid sudden shrinkage. You finish strong by chilling the cake 6 hours or overnight so it firms and slices cleanly. Once chilled, run a hot knife around the edge, release the springform, and decorate with whipped cream, reserved crumbs, and whole Oreos for presentation. Slice with the hot knife method for neat pieces and store refrigerated up to 4 days to maintain texture. If cracks appear, don't panic. Smooth a thin layer of ganache or whipped cream over the top to hide imperfections and rehydrate slightly. This restores a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.